Here are 7 questions that once you answer these questions, it's literally going to blast your life into a whole new level of abundance, manifesting, prosperity, health, love, and wealth. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Oh, I am jazzed up, I'm pumped up, I'm excited, I'm motivated because I'm sharing with you 7 questions that will absolutely change your life. Change it in a remarkable way. I'm not just talking about abundance and money. I'm talking about your relationship, what you do with your life every day on a day-to-day basis. It will change your life from the inside out. This is incredible stuff. Are you ready? High flyers, write this down. Question number 1. If I knew that I could not fail, what would I do? What would I become? Where would I live? What kind of business would I start if I knew I could not fail? Now, high flyers, this is essential because in order to be a true manifester, you must absolutely believe that failure does not exist in your reality, that there is no such thing as failure. As a matter of fact, failure is a myth. Think about it. Does a dog ever fail? Does a cloud fail? Does a tree fail? Does the grass ever fail? Failure is a human ego invention. There is feedback. Oh, I don't like the feedback I'm receiving. I need to change something. But there's really no such thing as failure. So the question is kind of interesting because it says, if I knew I could not fail, and you know you can't fail. You know the only path for you is the path of success. Now, the second question is very similar. Number 2, write it down. If money were no object, what would I do? Where would I live? How would I live? Who would I live with? What would I become? What would I study? What would I start? What would I stop? If money were no object. Now look at, there's the universe there. Infinite. Filled with piles and piles and piles of money. There's money everywhere, high flyers. Money is easy to make. Money is easy to attract. Hold on a moment. I'm going to attract some right now. Oh, yeah. Money is everywhere. So if money were no object. So again, we answer that question with this answer. Money is no object. I can live anywhere I desire to live. I can be anyone I desire to be. I can do anything I desire to do. Number 3 is a little bit more specific. Are you ready? We're getting a little bit more specific. We're dialing it in. What would my day look like? If I was living my ideal life, if I had all the money that I desired, if I was completely living my dream. How did they say it? Living the dream? I'm living the dream. Oh, yeah. Okay, so if you're living the dream, what does your day look like? What time do you get out of bed? What do you do first thing in the morning? What do you do throughout the day? What do you do at dinner time? Who do you have dinner with? Where do you travel to? Where's your office at? What kind of business are you running? These are all important questions. The more clearly you can see the context of your day, the more likely you are to manifest it into your life. Number 4, what are my talents? What talents do I have? What are my strong points? Because you want to go with your strong points, high flyers. So what are my talents? And write them all down. I don't care how crazy they sound. Back in the 60s, there was a guy who said, I have no talents. I have a lot of pets. And I even have a few pet rocks. And he went with that idea. He had no talent. He made millions. He made millions of dollars selling pet rocks. Just taking rocks, putting them in a box, and mailing them out to people for $9.95. Your own personalized pet rock. What are your talents? You have tons of talent. Write them all down because you're going to want to invoke the power of those talents to take your life to the next level. Now, number 5 is important and it requires you to do a little bit of work. Who are my role models? Who are the people that I look up to? Who are the people that have either created the kind of life that I want to create or are living the life that I want to live or doing the stuff that I want to do? Who are the people that had the greatest impact on the world? Who had the greatest impact on me as a child? Who are these people? Write them down. Study them. Know them inside and out because you're going to borrow from them consistently. It's okay. They want you. They want you to borrow their talents. They want you because they struggled to create a path so that you could follow through easier. And you're going to create a path so that someone else can come through. So knowing who your role models are, very important, but knowing the idiosyncrasies of their life is also absolutely empowering. Number 6. Oh, this is big, big, big. Write it on the screen, Rachel. Big. What is my legacy? I'm not going to be here forever. What do I want people to take from my life? From my time here? What do I want to leave them? What do I want to give them? What's my message? What is my life really about? And maybe your legacy is just to your children or to your family. Maybe it's to your community or your church group. Maybe it's to the entire world. But what is my legacy? And number 7 is, what beliefs do I need to have in order to manifest the life I desire? If my beliefs are not getting me there right now, if my beliefs are not working for me today, if they haven't worked for me for the last 5 years or 10 years or 20 years, what beliefs do I need to adopt that other people have? What are their beliefs? Remember number 5, your role models? What were their beliefs about money, about prosperity, about gratitude, about abundance, about love, about giving? What were their beliefs? What beliefs do you need to adopt right now to live the life you desire? You're only, I've said this many times, one, count it, one thought away from having the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. High flyers, I invite you to visit us at Law of Attraction Solutions. We only get back to you if you leave a phone number, so always leave a phone number. We want to help you with your business, with your career, with your goals, with your relationship, with your marriage, with all the things that are important to you. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.